Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into functional strength, the kind that translates to real-life activities. Imagine conquering hikes, lifting your kids, or moving with confidence. Who doesn't want to feel invincible in everyday challenges? You might be thinking, where do I begin? We're breaking down 5 exercises to unlock your inner powerhouse. These exercises target multiple muscle groups. Get ready for squats, deadlifts, push-ups, pull-ups, and planks. We'll explore proper form, variations, and benefits. Now let's get started. First up, we're tackling the king of all exercises, the squat. This powerhouse movement engages your legs, glutes, and core. Mastering the squat will have you feeling unstoppable. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and lower your hips. Make sure your knees track over your toes. Good form is key. Start with bodyweight squats and add weight as you get stronger. Try variations like goblet squats and Bulgarian split squats. Next up, we're stepping up to the barbell for the mighty deadlift. This full-body exercise targets your back, legs, core, you name it, building incredible strength and power. Think of it as the ultimate functional exercise, mimicking the movements of picking something heavy off the ground. Here's the breakdown. Stand with your feet hip-width apart with the barbell over your shoelaces. Hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Grab the barbell with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Now take a deep breath, engage your lats, and lift the weight off the ground, maintaining a straight back throughout the movement. Lower the weight back to the ground with control, and repeat. Remember, focus on proper form and start with a weight that challenges you without compromising technique. Push-ups, the ultimate upper body challenge. Let's shift our focus to the upper body with the classic push-up. This bodyweight exercise is a true testament to your strength and endurance, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Plus, it can be done anywhere, anytime, making it the perfect addition to any workout routine. Here's how it's done. Start in a high plank position, with your hands shoulder-width apart, wrists directly below your shoulders. Lower your body down towards the ground, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Push back up to the starting position, and repeat. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise and modify if needed. We'll also explore some variations like incline push-ups and diamond push-ups to keep things challenging and engaging. Conquering the pull-up, a true test of strength. Get ready to hang tough as we tackle the pull-up, a true test of upper body strength. This challenging exercise targets your back, biceps, and forearms, giving you the power to conquer any obstacle that comes your way. Here's the game plan. Grab a pull-up bar with an underhand or overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended. Now, engage your back and biceps, pulling yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position and repeat. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. If you're new to pull-ups, start with assisted variations, such as using a resistance band or a pull-up machine. We'll guide you through different progressions so you can build the strength to conquer this challenging exercise. Plank power, engaging your core for unbreakable strength. Last but not least, we're hitting the floor for the mighty plank. This isometric exercise might look simple, but trust me, it's a true core crusher. Strengthening your core is essential for overall stability, balance, and injury prevention. Here's the lowdown. Start in a push-up position, with your forearms on the ground, elbows directly below your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your core and squeezing your glutes. Hold this position for as long as you can, maintaining proper form. Remember, quality over quantity. Start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. We'll also explore variations like side planks and forearm to full plank to challenge your core and keep things interesting. There you have it, folks. 5 essential exercises to unlock your inner strength and conquer any physical challenge life throws your way. From the power of the squat to the core-crushing plank, these exercises will transform your body and your life. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your workout routine, challenge yourself, and watch as you get stronger, more resilient, and ready to take on the world. And hey, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share your progress in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to unleash our inner superheroes.